Hello there. This is just a short follow-up video on the video I already have published on my channel about how you can use the developer tool in your browser to inspect the queries that are sent to the backend when you're actually using PnP modern search or any other search-related web part. The problem we have right here, or the scenario, is that we have a query in here that is not providing the answers that we expected. The query, as you can see up here, if we expand it a little bit, is that we are looking at a specific path, and then we're looking at a promoted state equals 2, so we're dealing with news, and then we want the translation language to be the same as what we have on our page. So it should be available. I have already used the SP query tool, the SP editor, to inspect the data that I'm getting, and it looks all right. I actually do have translations of these news that I'm looking for, so I wonder why. It should match the page where I am right now. So if we try to run this one against our developer tool, we are using the network. We are using the query as a filter for this one. Let's see what we get. There we go. So what is the real query that we are actually sending to the backend? So we are sending this one. The path, it looks all right. Promoted states look right. And oh, my translated language for this page is undefined, which means that somehow I've messed up. In this case, I did a little Googling on the net and found out that the page I am on right now is not translated itself. It is just a standard out of the box page that I've just created, and it hasn't been translated yet, and therefore that property on the page dot language translated language has not been defined because it hasn't been translated at all. So basically, I had a good query, but there was something wrong, and this is just exactly the way where we can use the developer tool to inspect our query that is sent to the backend and find out how do we actually translate these properties. In this case, the page property about translation language, how are they actually resolved and sent to the backend, so we can see right now that what is actually being used rather than just being frustrated that it doesn't work. I hope you found this useful, and I'll see you on the next one.